Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best matte top coat is probably one of the most essential products for any nail art enthusiast. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the Beetles Matte Top Coat, exploring its application, durability, and overall performance. I'll be sharing my personal experience, tips, and tricks to help you achieve a flawless, long-lasting matte finish. Get ready to transform your manicures and elevate your nail game with this must-have product. Number 5. Beetles Gel Polish Base and Top Coat Set. This set includes a base coat, a no-wipe shine top coat, and a matte top coat. It promises long-lasting wear with a perfect shine. These different top coats give you more choices for your DIY nail art. Remember to apply thin layers of gel polish each time. Avoid applying too much, as it may cause discomfort under the lamp. If you feel any discomfort, remove your hand and resume curing when the sensation subsides. You can also try a lower wattage lamp. This set is suitable for natural, gel, artificial, acrylic nails, and nail tips. Apply a thin base coat and cure for 60 seconds. Finish with a top coat and cure for another 60 seconds. Avoid touching your nails for 2 minutes after curing the top coat to enhance the shine. It is made with 10 toxin-free ingredients, making it healthy and low odor. The formula avoids harsh ingredients that could damage your nails. It's perfect as a beauty gift for girls and women. To prevent peeling, polish the nail surface until there are no reflective spots. Clean the nail surface with a nail dehydrator. It is recommended to cure the base coat, color gel, and top coat for at least 60 seconds. There is no need to wipe the base coat's tacky residue off. What we like. This set includes a base coat, a no-wipe shine top coat, and a matte top coat, offering versatility for your nail designs. It promises a long-lasting finish, keeping your manicure perfect for weeks. If you enjoy experimenting with different finishes and want a complete set for various looks, you should consider this. What people say. The bottle size is generous, offering excellent value, and the brush is wider than the one included in the kit, allowing for smoother and more controlled application. The formula applies evenly without streaking and cures properly under a standard gel lamp, leaving a glossy, professional-looking finish. With normal wear, the top coat has maintained its shine and durability for at least 2 weeks without chipping or lifting. Number 4. Modelones Gel Base and Top Coat Set. Introducing the Modelones Gel Base and Top Coat Set. This set includes a 15 ml base coat and a 15 ml top coat. It's designed to give you a long-lasting, professional-quality manicure at home. This set is a must-have for any nail art enthusiast. The base coat provides excellent adhesion, and the top coat seals in the color. Remember to avoid over-curing to prevent peeling. The Modelones Gel Base Coat ensures your gel color lasts. It applies smoothly and protects your nails. It's also easy to remove when you're ready for a change. The clear top coat makes your gel nails last for over 30 days. It has a glossy finish that resists chipping and scratching. This will keep your nails looking great for weeks. This set is made with natural ingredients and an acid-free formula. It's non-toxic and gentle on your nails. It's perfect for anyone who wants to DIY their gel nails at home. Always perform a skin test before use. If you encounter any issues, please contact us directly. We are always here to help you with any problems you may have. What we like. This top coat promises a long-lasting, glossy finish that resists chipping and scratching. The acid-free formula is gentle on your nails, making it a healthier choice. If you're looking for a durable, long-lasting top coat that's also easy to apply and gentle on your nails, you should consider this. What people say. The dehydrator removes oils effortlessly, leaving the nail surface perfectly prepped without drying out the skin. The primer applies smoothly and creates a strong bond that helps the gel X tips adhere securely and last much longer without lifting. The dehydrator dries instantly and removes all the oils without leaving any residue. Number 3. Beetles 23 PCS Gel Nail Polish Kit. This kit includes 20 mini gel nail polish colors, along with base and glossy matte top coats. It offers a wide range of trendy shades perfect for any occasion. It's a great gift for any woman. Inside, you'll find 20 beautiful gel polish colors and 3 essential coats. These colors are designed to suit all seasons and daily routines. This set is a collection of modern shades that will make a bold statement. The Beetles Gel Nail Polish Kit comes in a beautiful box, making it a perfect gift. It's suitable for any holiday or special event. You no longer have to struggle to choose colors. This kit includes white, gray, nude, pink, blue, and glittered gel polishes. These polishes require curing under a nail lamp, with base and top coats needed. It typically takes 60 to 120 seconds under an LED lamp. Made with 9 harmless ingredients, it's safe and has a low odor. With proper application, it can last for at least 3 weeks. This product is designed for easy and long-lasting wear. This product is for nail use only. Carefully read the directions. Avoid contact with eyes, mouth, and skin. If contact occurs, rinse immediately with water. If any adverse reaction occurs, seek medical attention. Stop using the product if redness or itching develops. Keep it out of reach of children. What we like. This kit offers a wide range of colors, perfect for any occasion. The set includes both glossy and matte top coats, giving you options for different styles. If you like having a variety of colors and finishes to choose from, you should consider this. What people say. The formula goes on smoothly, gives great coverage with just one coat, and dries pretty quickly, which is a big plus for me. They also last several days without chipping, even while doing everyday chores. The brush is easy to work with and applies the polish evenly without streaks. Number 2. Beetles Matte Gel Top Coat. This top coat provides a beautiful matte finish that lasts for over 28 days. It requires curing under an LED lamp for 60 to 90 seconds. If you feel any irritation, remove your hand and resume when the sensation subsides. The formula is made with 9 harmless ingredients and has a low odor. It's designed to be gentle on your nails, avoiding harsh ingredients. This flexible top coat helps prevent chips and smudges. This top coat works with any brand of soak-off gel nail polish. It's suitable for various nail types, including natural, UV gel, and acrylic nails. It seals in the color and provides a stunning matte look. Always apply a thin layer of the top coat. Avoid getting gel on your skin, as it may cause irritation during curing. If you're sensitive to heat, try using a lower wattage lamp. Check the ingredients to avoid any allergic reactions. This product is for nail use only. Avoid contact with eyes, mouth, and skin. If contact occurs, rinse immediately with water. If any adverse reaction occurs, seek medical attention. Keep it out of reach of children and away from pregnant women. What we like. This top coat provides a perfect matte finish for your gel nails. It is designed to last for weeks, ensuring your manicure stays flawless. If you are looking for a matte finish that is also compatible with chrome powders, you should consider this. What people say. Levels out beautifully and doesn't leave streaks like some others. Cures perfectly to a smooth matte finish. As always, Beetles top coats are great. The gloss has a tone of shine and the matte is superb. Base coat is such a great addition when doing my nails. Number 1. Beetles Gel Polish Top Coat and Base Set. This Beetles Matte Top Coat provides a true, velvety matte effect. It creates a silky smooth surface and resists stains and oils. Remember to apply thin layers of gel polish to avoid any irritation during curing. Follow these simple steps to create your own chrome nail designs. Start by prepping your nails and applying a base coat. Then, add color gel polish, matte top coat, and draw your desired image. Finally, apply chrome powder and a matte top coat for a perfect finish. This top coat lasts for over 28 days and prevents nicks and smudges. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. To enhance the shine, avoid touching your nails for 2 minutes after curing. The base coat is compatible with all brands of soak-off gel nail polish. It's suitable for various nail types, including natural, artificial, and acrylic nails. Note that the base coat will remain sticky to help the next coat adhere. If you have sensitive skin, consider using this product with liquid peel-off latex tape. This tape minimizes direct contact between the gel and your skin, reducing the chance of allergic reactions. Please note that the tape is not included and must be purchased separately. What we like. This set offers both matte and shiny top coats, giving you the flexibility to create various nail art designs. It promises a long-lasting, chip-resistant finish. If you like to switch up your nail look, and want both matte and shiny options, you should consider this. What people say. Levels out beautifully and doesn't leave streaks like some others. Cures perfectly to a smooth matte finish. As always, Beetles top coats are great. The gloss has a tone of shine and the matte is superb. Base coat is such a great addition when doing my nails. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.